First of
I can
all,
only endorse the sentiment, yes.
Ms. Crawford, I would like you to respond to Mayor Mitchell. Yes? Point out one thing you have done in terms of infrastructure in central Manchester in the 4.5 years since you have been elected MP.
Well, Mr. Hughes, my purpose here is to speak to my constituents, who I'm sure are listening. And I will be returning to my people with a record of performance. My work speaks for itself. I don't know where to start with the level of achievement that we've seen in the constituency. So let me start with some of the key deliverables. Now, over the last 4+ years, as a member of parliament, using the resources afforded through the Constituency Development Fund and other agencies of government, I have delivered $30 million in educational grants, which have been used to pay school fees,